I found it online because I was looking for barista courses, so I just found this one, and yeah, it looked good, and yeah, it was nice. He was really good, and he made sure to check all my coffees to make sure that they were like of good standard and had the right amount of cream on top as well, which was one of the things I struggled with, so it was nice to have good feedback. One of my friends is already in here, but I would recommend it because yeah, it's a great course. I feel confident as enough to get a job as a barista because I can pretty much reliably make all of the coffees that we did. Since, you know, I often failed a lot with some of them, but once I got them, I feel like I could make them again pretty easily and be prepared for a job.